Happy Homebrew Wednesday, folks! Ryan Batch over here, drinking a little homebrew. Not bad for a kit beer. So I've just ordered some ingredients for another recipe from More Beer, and I got them in today. So let me just open the box and show you what's all in here. So I forgot to bring a knife up here. Let's see, what do we got here? Let's see. Need something sharp here. Some old computer memory. That usually helps. That cut right through that tape. Alright. So, got a lot of fun stuff in here. This got delivered at like 1 o'clock, and I didn't know where it was until like 5 or 6 because they actually put it in the box in front of our house, which they rarely do that. I mean, it's why the box is there. I want them to put packages in it, but I get so used to not doing it that when they do it, I kind of forgot about it. So, let's see. We got some SiMo hops, 12.5 alpha acid. Some Centennial hops. These will go in my dead ringer for dry hopping. I think these are actually higher alpha acids than the ones that I bought before. I've never had this Artisan Hop brand, so interesting. Let's see. More Mosaic hops. This is a 2-ounce pouch. Was not expecting that when I bought it as 2 ounce. That's good to know. I'm going to have to keep that in mind on future orders from them. Some US-05, just because I need an extra pack. We got some Cara 20, 5-pound bag. Although I'm not sure this is the exact stuff I wanted. I mean, it's probably exactly what I ordered, but we'll go with it. I got a 10-pound bag of 2-row, just because I wanted some fresh grains for this next recipe I want to do. So I didn't want to use my old stuff that I have still. So I got all new stuff for this other recipe. And a 5-pound bag of Crystal Malt 50/60. So I'm not really sure why it's like that, but that's what I got. So not all this stuff is going to go into one recipe. I just wanted to have a container of, and have some extra. Well, I was hoping it would be resealable bag. That does not appear to be the case. I'm going to have to get some sort of storage for this. And that appears to be everything. Well, it's back in. So the recipe that I'm going to do was actually created by a feller once known as the Iowa Carver, then the Mini Brewer. Now he's going to have a new channel coming up. I don't know if he's created it yet. When I find out or remember what it is, I'll be sure to announce it, and I'll try to remember to put a link at the bottom. And I'll probably forget to do that too. Anyway, his name's Corey, lives here in Iowa, in the same town that I live in. He came up with the, he told me what the exact name was. The Great Gimme SiMo Pale Ale. So SiMo, S-I-M-O, stands for Simcoe and Mosaic. So I got some Simcoe and Mosaic hops for that. So that is what's going to go in that beer. Should be pretty good. Oh, these are resealable pouches. Oh, that is way cool. Sorry, just got off track. I'm not going to give the exact recipe, but it has a SiMo, the mosaic. That part of that 10-pound bag of 2-row is going to go in there, I believe. Oh, and the US-05 and the Cara 20. I'm going to use Cara 20. So, I'm not going to put out the exact dimensions of everything. But, so this is really cool. These hop bags are resealable, so I guess that's not a big deal if you get a bigger container of your hops. So neat. I like that. I just wish the grain bags were resealable. Also, on that recipe, I think Corey originally created it, and then Brett's Brewery tweaked it a little bit. I'm not really sure. Maybe if they see this video, they'll comment about it below. But Brett has brewed it. Reggie Roller has brewed it. Porterplex is going to brew it. I believe a feller who goes by the name Trev MC, I believe he has brewed it. So the beer has been brewed. So I'm going to partake and brew it as well. I think it'd be a very good beer to brew. So everyone seems to speak very highly of it. So hopefully I'll maybe have some brew footage when I actually get around to brewing it, and some tasting footage. We'll see how it goes. Still have those other 2 recipes, the brown ale and the speckled heifer I need to brew up too. I'm going to probably do that after this Gimme SiMo. And at some point I need to figure out how to do my landfill IPA. That's going to be get all the old crap, or most of the old crap, put it into a beer, just brew it and see what happens. It could be total garbage. It'll be alright. But I might even do that one before I do the cream ale and brown ale. Well, I think that's all I got for you this week, folks. Cheers, 17, if you still do that. Have a good week. I hope to see you next week. Catch you next time. I'm out.